in the gate. And they're off. TL broke last from the rail. Don't Trust Anyone. St. Roch is showing pace along with both DeGus and Del Norte now forcing the issue along. And TL is last of 5 at the end of 1 furlong. Jamie Theriault and Don't Trust Anyone out in front of Del Norte. And just inside that, Gerard Melanson has DeGus in a position to challenge. Earl Bankston the third and St. Roch is out 4 deep. And Robbie Alvarado rides the inside with TL trailing but only 4 from Don't Trust Anyone. The opening quarter, 23 seconds flat going into the far turn. 5 lengths from leader to last. 3 furlongs from home. Don't Trust Anyone just in front of DeGus and Del Norte, a 3-wide bid now at the 5/16 pole. So Del Norte ranging up outside of DeGus and Don't Trust Anyone. Then on the outside is St. Roch, who lost ground through that turn, and TL switched out into the stretch. Half mile, 47 seconds flat. Don't Trust Anyone with that 24-second middle quarter, finding more for the final furlong. Don't Trust Anyone onto the left-handed stick. Here's TL with his chance now. Final half furlong. Del Norte and DeGus up toward the wire. Don't Trust Anyone made all. Don't Trust Anyone. Gate to wire. Don't Trust Anyone from TL close third and nose between DeGus and Del Norte.